For me, a composite is when I can improve the original photo, or maybe when I can give the original photo a story. We ended up telling him to raise his hands to the sky and shout, "Thou shalt not pass." Doing composites shouldn't be about mending something that's rubbish. It should be about adding the poetry and enhancing that original image. The pony is called Vanilla Ice, by the way. Thought it was a particularly good name. I do talk to Photoshop like it's a child that isn't listening. In that way, I can't get cross. I have no frustration level. And if Photoshop doesn't do something, it's because I haven't explained it clearly enough to Photoshop. And sometimes we don't know why it looks wrong, but it bugs us. And it's, yeah, and it's that thing of that when it's you that's done it and you start looking at it, also you can't see it.
Yeah.
We almost go nose blind. We've looked at it for too long. So again, I want you to really think we've got Gandalf and his pony visiting the woodland of Barnsley. I always say this is naughty, which is probably why you're all going to love it. Don't want it. It's gonna be like some Boeing 747 headlights. That I really can. I can go to town on this. So this is special effects that is already in Photoshop. That isn't admissible in competition photography because it's an image created by someone else that I am then sticking onto my composite. So if I was to enter that, obviously I'm not finished yet, but I've already broken the rules. So I'm going to label that layer naughty. Naughty. Again, by experiment, you learn way more. If you're a creative editor, you'll know this. You make so many wrong turns and learn so much as you're doing it. Nothing is actually time lost. I've got a couple of model figures. I'm not Warhammer, guys. I'm not painting them. And I don't play with them. They're there specifically for me to look at. If I put a light and change my light and think, where does the light hit? Where does the light not hit? How can I craft the light to fit the form? Are we there? Do we want more spookalicious vibes? Do we want to throw some mist and fog in? Do I want to put rooks in the trees? Now, all of those final conversations with the image is down to you, what your image needs. I'm terrible for putting too many Christmas baubles on the Christmas tree. So I'm always conscious when I'm doing a composite of not throwing everything at it. And even though Photoshop can be immensely frustrating, on my site, I'm always saying breathe. Just try it. What if you lost 5 seconds? The feeling of playing, of going down dead ends, to find out it wasn't the right path, but it was an interesting one. I think that is particularly important.